In 2025, Crypto.com remains one of the most recognized names in the crypto industry. Known for its sleek mobile app, iconic Visa card, and aggressive marketing campaigns, Crypto.com has built a reputation as a platform that tries to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. But the big question is Crypto.com still worth using today, or has it lost its edge compared to newer competitors? The Crypto.com app is designed to be a one-stop shop for everything crypto-related. You can buy, sell, and trade hundreds of different cryptocurrencies directly from your phone, often with very competitive fees if you pay using CRO, their native token. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it approachable for beginners but still powerful enough for experienced traders. One of the platform's strongest features is the Crypto.com Visa card. This card allows you to spend your crypto anywhere Visa is accepted while earning cashback rewards in CRO. Depending on the tier you choose, which is linked to how much CRO you stake, you can get perks like free Spotify, Netflix, airport lounge access, and higher cash back rates. For some users, this card alone makes the app worth it. But Crypto.com is more than just a trading platform. It also offers earn programs where you can lock up your crypto to earn interest, and DeFi integrations, giving you more ways to put your assets to work. The app even has advanced trading features through the Crypto.com exchange for those who want deeper market tools. However, not everything is perfect. Over the past few years, Crypto.com has faced criticism for changing its reward structure, reducing cashback rates, and limiting some of the perks that made it so attractive in the first place. This has left some longtime users frustrated. Additionally, while the app is secure and regulated in many regions, it's still part of a volatile market, so using it requires caution, especially with staking CRO for rewards. So is Crypto.com worth it in 2025? If you're looking for a simple, all-in-one crypto app with a strong debit card program, solid security, and lots of supported assets, then yes, it's still one of the best options out there. But if you're mainly chasing the highest rewards or want total transparency, you might find better alternatives with more stable perks. At the end of the day, Crypto.com continues to be a major player, especially for people who want the